everyone, my name is Pujita Vinay and I'm your yoga instructor for today's session. What are we doing today? We are practicing Surya Namaskaras. So why late? Let's begin our session. We will start the session always with silence. We are not doing any warm-ups today. We'll just directly get into the practice. So let's begin the session. Sit down. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Inhale and exhale. Once again, take a deep breath in. Inhale and exhale. We are completely detoxing our body and our mind with the practice of Surya Namaskaras. So feel happy for it. And also mentally prepare yourself for the intense session. A continuous practice of Surya Namaskaras. Detach your mind and body from everything and attach yourself to your practice and to your breath. Take a few deep breaths in before we begin our session. Now slowly rub your palms against each other. Cup it on your eyes. Gently massage your face, your neck. Lower your palms. With few gentle blinks and a big smile. Open your eyes with straight looking to palms. Namaste. So let's begin our practice. Before we start doing Surya Namaskaras, I would want to show you on how to do the Surya Namaskara. In my session, we are picking up India yoga style, that is from Mysore, this yoga institute is from. It is slightly different from the regular Surya Namaskaras. So let's watch. If you're a beginner, you can right away watch me and then start practicing with me. If you've been practicing different style of Surya Namaskaras, I would just like to make slight changes to your practice so that you get your maximum benefit by making few slight changes. So how to begin? We will start the Surya Namaskaras by joining our feet together, joining our palms together. Your palms will be in front of your heart center and elbows parallel to each other. So this is your first asana, that is called Pranam Namanasana or Namaskaras. In this asana, you will inhale and exhale. Next, we will get into Urdhva Hastasana, that is, you will slightly bend your knees, push your pelvic forward, raise your arms up. Here, you will inhale and get into this asana. Now remember, lot of us arch back. Here, I am requesting you not to arch because every time you arch, you create a lot of pressure on your lumbar region. Just to avoid that pressure, we are just raising arms up and taking our hands behind, and hands are in line with your ears. So if you watch me right from my hip till my fingers, it's a straight line. So it doesn't create any pressure on your lumbar region when you're just bending back. Now you will straighten your legs. Exhale, lean forward to Padahastasana. Just in case you're a beginner and you're unable to do this asana, which is leaning forward, you can stop wherever you want to. Maybe just bring your trunk parallel to the mat and keep your hands on your knees. If you're comfortable, you can just drop your arms down. Now from here, we will get into Ekapada Prasanasana, or in general terms, you call it as Ashwasanchalasana. So we will take a right leg back. You will inhale, take the right leg back, drop the right knee down and relax your right foot. Remember, whenever you're in Ashwasanchalasana or Ekapadasana, we tend to put lot of pressure on the fingers. All you need to do is cup the fingers or place them flat. And the next very important is the knee should not extend the ankle. From here, you will tuck in your toe, lift the right knee up and take the left foot beside the right foot to Dvipada Prasanasana or your plank. A lot of us get into mountain here, but here we are exhaling, taking the left leg back beside the right foot to Dvipada Prasanasana or your plank. Now you slightly bend your knees, the toes are tucked in and hold your breath. Get into Shashtanga Namaskara. Generally, people tend to drop their chin down, but I request all of you to drop your forehead down and raise your hips up. You will hold your breath in this asana and then relax your toes. Slightly push yourself 1 inch forward. Inhale, raise your chest, not your arms. We are raising only our chest up to Bhujangasana. Remember in Bhujangasana to keep your neck neutral with your spine. Don't completely bend your neck or drop your neck down. The neck will be neutral with the spine. Next, you will tuck in your toes, come onto your knees, exhale, get into Bhudarasana or your mountain. Now, we will repeat the steps again. We will bring the right foot forward between our hands. Inhale, drop the left knee down, drop the left toe down and get into Ekapada Prasanasana again. Remember, either you will cup your fingers or keep your palms flat. Make sure the knee is not extending the ankle. Now tuck in your left toe, lift the left knee up, bring it forward between your hands beside the right foot. Get back to Pada Hastasana. Now bend your knees, push your pelvic back, raise your arms up, inhale to Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, bring your hands to the heart center and then drop your hands beside your hips to Tadasana. So we will repeat the same thing on the left side. This completes one round. So let's do it on the left side. Just in case you missed few instructions on the right, we will also clearly check on the left side. So you will bring your feet together, the first asana. This time I'll focus more on breathing, so you're clear when to breathe and how to breathe. So the first asana is Pranam. Join your hands, bring it right in front of your chest, elbows are parallel. Now bend your knees, push your pelvic forward, inhale, raise your arms up to Urdhva Hasta. Exhale, get into Pada Hastasana. Now inhale, take the left leg back, drop the left knee down and relax your left toe. And you are staying in Ekapada Prasanasana or Ashwa Sanchalasana. Remember, the knee will not extend the ankle. Either cup your fingers or place the fingers flat. Tuck in your left toe, lift the left knee up. Exhale, take the right foot just beside the left foot to Dvipada Prasanasana or your plank. Now hold your breath, drop your knees down, go completely flat. Drop your forehead down and raise your hips to Shashtanga Namaskara. Now relax your toes, slightly go forward. Inhale, lift only your chest up to Bhujangasana. Now exhale, come on your knees, tuck in your toes, get into Bhudarasana or your mountain. Now inhale, bring the left leg forward between your hands to Ekapada Prasanasana. Exhale, beside the left foot, the right foot to Pada Hastasana. Inhale, raise your arms up to Urdhva Hasta. Exhale, Namaste and Tadasana. So this is how we do a Surya Namaskaras. So I hope everybody is clear on how to do a Surya Namaskar. I will count, we will do it together. We will pick up a medium pace. We are not going too slow or too fast, a medium pace so that everybody can do it. Just in case you're a beginner, don't worry. You will just follow my instructions. I'll give you slight variations. Just watch me if you're a beginner. You will bring your feet together. So the first asana is easy for everybody. The second asana is Urdhva Hasta. Exhale, just in case you're a beginner, you can drop your hands here. If you have lower back issues or neck issues, you can drop your hands here. And then right leg back, drop the knee down and relax here. Ekapad Prasanasana. In case you're not able to reach your hands down, just interlock your fingers, keep them on your thigh. Now the next one, we can get into plank. Holding in plank is difficult. You can drop your knees and stay up. So this is called half plank, where your knees are dropped down. And then you completely get into Shashtanga Namaskara, which is easy. If raising your hip is difficult, just lie flat and just bend your knees and hold. Now from here you get into Bhujangasana, Bhudarasana, again mountain. Now, this is very important to understand how to bring the foot forward between your hands. In case you are a beginner and you have tight hips, what you can do is you will bend your knees and then bring the foot with the help of your hand between your hands and stay in the asana. You will tuck in the left toe, lift the left knee up, bring the foot forward, stay in Pada Hastasana. Inhale, raise your arms up to Urdhva Hasta. Exhale, Namaste, Tadasana. So if you're at a beginner level, these are the variations you can include while practicing. So let's begin. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, take your right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Bhudarasana. Inhale, bring the right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward to Pada Hastasana. Inhale, raise your arms up. Namaste and Tadasana. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, take your left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Bhudarasana. Inhale, bring the left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. Namaste and Tadasana. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, take your right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Bhudarasana. Inhale, bring your right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. Namaste, Tadasana. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, take your left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Bhudarasana. Inhale, bring the left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. Namaste, Tadasana. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, take your right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Bhudarasana. Inhale, bring the right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. Namaste, Tadasana. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, take your left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Bhudarasana. Inhale, bring your left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. Namaste and Tadasana. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, take your right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Bhudarasana. Inhale, bring your right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. Namaste and Tadasana. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, take your left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Bhudarasana. Inhale, bring your left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. Namaste and Tadasana. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, take your right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Bhudarasana. Inhale, bring your right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. Namaste. Namaste. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go all the way down. Inhale, take your left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Shashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana.